What happens if we close two current-carrying wires with a metal bonding strip? There will be a short circuit between these wires. It's correct, but not always. This metal bonding strip will serve as a closer at direct and alternating current of means, acoustic and even high frequency. At ultra-high frequencies, you can make a bonding strip of such length that conductor behavior will change. It will lose its conducting ability and turn into isolator. If, for instance, we close a parallel wire line that delivers vibrational energy of 100 MHz, 3-meter wave, with a U-shaped wire, its sides are more than 75 cm long, then such bonding strip won't produce short circuit. All the line processes will go on as though there isn't any bonding strip, as though such bonding strip is made of isolation material. You can secure a parallel wire line with such metal isolators, so there won't occur any out feed. Such unusual event that seems to run counter to common sense is explained by the fact that conductor processes acquire specific nature when a wire length is commensurable to a wavelength. In our case, the length of a metal strip, 75 cm, equals to a quarter of a wavelength. Now, we have a segment of a parallel wire line that equals to a quarter of a wavelength and is closed from one side. When we connect such segment to a line that delivers vibrational energy of waves having the same length, then standing waves appear in the segment. There is one peculiarity. At open end, where a strip is connected to a line, there is no current. If current strength equals to 0, then resistance is infinity. The other shaped end of a strip has its curious property as well. Standing wave is located so that high-frequency voltage at this end equals to 0. It means that it can be fixed on an earthed metal surface and it won't cause current leakage. Such amazing feature of a quarter wave line that is short-circuited on its one side is widely used in meter and centimeter long wave equipment. With longer waves, such event is still observed, but metal bonding strip is too long and almost inapplicable.